Toyota Prado Turbocharger Repair Step-by-Step Guide. A Toyota Prado cruising through rugged terrain followed by a zoom in on the engine bay and the turbocharger. Toyota Prado Turbocharger Repair Step-by-Step Guide. The Toyota Prado is known for its reliability and power, thanks in part to its turbocharged diesel engine. But what happens when the turbocharger needs repair? Today we'll guide you through the process of diagnosing, repairing, and restoring your Toyota Prado turbocharger. On-screen text, Toyota Prado Turbocharger Repair, restore your engine's power. A Toyota Prado struggling to accelerate, emitting excessive smoke and making a high-pitched whining sound. Toyota Prado Turbocharger Repair, Step-by-Step Guide. If your Toyota Prado is losing power, producing excessive smoke, or making strange noises, it's a sign that your turbocharger might be failing. Left unchecked, this can lead to more severe engine damage. A mechanic inspecting the turbocharger with diagnostic tools. Toyota Prado Turbocharger Repair Step-by-Step Guide. Common causes of turbo failure include oil contamination, excessive heat, and physical damage to the turbine or compressor wheels. Let's dive into the repair process. A mechanic disconnecting the turbocharger from the engine, removing oil and air lines, and carefully extracting the turbo. Toyota Prado Turbocharger Repair Step-by-Step Guide. The first step is to safely remove the